Peace be with you all, my dear girls and boys. Today we are going to start a lecture. And as I told you earlier, we are going to do exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, question number 2. Am I clear? Kindly all of you write today's day and date on your notebooks. And wherever you find a difficulty, just raise your hand and you can also write the question on your notebooks. So at the end of the lecture, we may discuss. The topic that we are going to touch today is this: adding, subtracting, and multiplying numbers with different bases. Under this topic, the bases that we are going to discuss are 2, 5, and 8. 2, 5, and 8. So, let's take the introduction of it. As we are familiar in our daily life with decimal number system, so in order to perform arithmetic operations on numbers with different bases like 2, 5, 8, or 10, first of all, we convert all the numbers into decimal system and perform the given operations. How many operations do we have in total? We deal with 4 operations, that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then the answer can be converted to the base that would be asked in the question. Let's suppose the example number 1 is asking you find and express the answer in all the 3 number systems. The 3 number systems are 2, 5, and 10. Now, to start a solution, you can see that the numbers are not without base. Every number have a base. Like first term has base 2, the second term has base 3, and third term is without any base. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to convert into decimal system. As I have taught you in exercise 3.1 how to convert. Let's suppose our first term is this 100 and 111 to the base 2. What I am supposed to do, I will take my first number, that is 1, multiply by 2. Likewise, plus 0 into 2, plus 0 into 2, plus 0 into 2, plus 1 into 2, plus 1 into 2. The thing that I have told you, that from the right hand side with the base, we will start putting the x from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I have taught you. And the other thing that we can do is we will count the numbers. Let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. इसको हम 1 डाउन करें तो हम इसको 5 से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So whatever the method that is easy to you, you can adopt. आप इसको राइट हैंड साइड से 0 से भी नंबर दे के स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. जो आपकी बेस होगी उसको आपने एक्सपोनेंट देना है. अदरवाइज आप ये टोटल नंबर काउंट करें और इसको 1 डाउन करके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से एक्सपोनेंट आप पुट कर दें. Both choices would be yours. Now 2 to raise power 5 would be equal to 32 and 32 ones are 1. अब यहाँ पे आपको 2 to raise power 4 जो है उसको आपको डील करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. रीज़न इज़ दिस कि जब आप उस किसी भी नंबर को, मे बी दैट इज़ इन बिलियंस और हंड्रेड्स और वट एवर, when we are going to multiply that with 0, the product will be 0 automatically. So there will be 0 automatically. There is no need to calculate 2 to raise power 4. After that, 2 to raise power 3 into 0. So definitely it is automatic that here we will write 0. After that, sign of addition as it is. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4 and 4 ones are 4. 2 ones are 2. Now tell me 2 to raise power 0 is equals to what, class? 2 to raise power 0 is equals to what? I'm just moving to my chat box. Will you please tell me 2 to raise power 0 is equals to what? Say the Sanabil. Joyce, it is wrong. Sanabil is right. Okay, Bisma, I will do last question for you people. Yeah, it is one, dear. Keep in mind, dear, it is not 0. Law of exponent states that any number, I'm writing it here, just jot it down. I'm going to jot it down for you people. Law of exponent asks you people that let's suppose x could be any number. It could be any rational number. It could be any integer. If it has a power 0, that is equals to 1. That is equals to 1. I will share its proof by tomorrow with you people, inshallah. So, if x to raise to power 0 is equals to 1, thus 2 to raise power 0 would also be equal to 1. Is this clear? Is this step clear? 2 to raise power 0 is equals to 1. So, 1 into 1 would be equal to this one. After that, we are going to add all the terms. Add all the terms and tell me the answer. Kindly add all the terms and tell me the answer. 32 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. The answer would be 39 as indicated here. After that, my next number is 4, 1, 2, 3 to the base 5. अब मैं इसको count कर लेती हूँ. 4, 1, 2, 3. टोटल मेरे पास 4 नंबर हैं. अगर मैं इसको 1 डाउन करूँ या इसको 0 से स्टार्ट करना चाहूँ तो मुझे जो इसकी हाईएस्ट पावर फर्स्ट वैल्यू को देनी पड़ेगी. दैट वुड बी 3. So I will write 4 into 5 to raise power 3 plus 1 into 5 to raise power 2 plus 2 into 5 to raise power 1 plus 3 into 5 to raise power 0. ये जो मैं आपके पास into कह रही हूँ, that into also stands for multiplication. That into also stands for multiplication. Is this clear? Okay. Now we are going to solve it. 5 fives are 25. 25 fives are 125 and then we are going to multiply that with 4. इसकी multiplication को जब हम कर लेंगे, you will get 500 plus 25 plus 10 plus 3. We are going to add them up all and you will get 538. As you can see, the last term is without any base. The last term is without any base, so we are not going to touch that or convert into decimal system because that is already converted. That is already converted. Is this clear till here? So I can move on. Chat box is open. You can reply me. Guys, is this clear? Okay, thank you. After that, what I will do, I will write the whole question over here and then I will put the corresponding value that I got. First is 39 as it is, sign of addition as it is, that is given in the question. After that, 538 plus 567, the answer is 1144. 1144. Now the step 2 is to convert it with base 2 and 5. This conversion, how many of you are clear about this method? This conversion. If you have any trouble, then I am going to repeat it. Let's do this one, this part, as it is relatively shorter. What I am going to do, I am going to divide with 5. मैंने आपको बताया था कि यहाँ पे हम जो numbers लेंगे all would be with respect to the base. In this portion, as we are going to divide it, change into base 5, so all the numbers that I'm going to take is 5. Till then, at the end I get a number that would be less than 5. मैं इसको वहाँ तक कंटिन्यू करूँगी जब तक मेरे पास यहाँ पर एक ऐसा नंबर ना आ जाए जो 5 से डिविजिबल हो या 5 से स्मॉलर हो. लाइक 5 टू से 10 करूँगी, 1 कैरी चला जाएगा, 5 टू से 10, देन 4 कैरी चला जाएगा, 44 बन जाएगा, 4 5 8 ज़ा 40. तो 44 माइनस 44 वुड बी द रिमाइंडर, इसको हम यहाँ लास्ट पर लिख देंगे. इज दिस क्लियर? लाइकवाइज मैं अपनी डिवीजन कंटिन्यू रखूँगी और मैं यहाँ से लास्ट से अपना आंसर कंक्लूड करूँगी. अपना आंसर मैं कंक्लूड करूँगी फ्रॉम दिस नंबर 14034. इसको मैं यहाँ लिखूँगी और उसकी बेस 5 पुट कर दूँगी. Is this clear? Is this clear? Any question? So I may move on. Okay, class. Thank you. Okay, dear. Next, I have selected question number 4 from your exercise. Question number 4 from your exercise is asking, there is a sign of multiplication. Two operations are dealt here. First is of multiplication, and other one is of subtraction. All of you please write down. 10 minutes are left, so I will try to cover up my work in these 10 minutes. So what I will do, I will first of all, the step 1, converting into decimal system. 1 2 3 4, ये total 4 values हैं, उसकी base 5 है. तो 4 से एक less number क्या है आपके पास, that is 3. So what I'm going to do, 1 into 5 to raise power 3 plus 4 into 5 to raise power 2 plus 2 into 5 to raise power 1 plus 3 into 5 to raise power 0. इसको अगर हम solution की तरफ चलें, it will give me 125, it will give me 25 into 4, it will give me 5 2s are 10. और यहाँ पे हम mention करेंगे by putting 3 inverted dots, that will shows you, like that's why, as we know that x to raise power 0 is equals to 1, that's why 5 to raise power 0 is equals to 1. ये 1 कहाँ से आया है? 5 to raise power 0 according to law of exponent. After multiplication and simplification, I get 238. And in this step, after all this multiplication and simplification, I get a number. It is, I guess it would be 51. It is not visible to me right here. Okay, third value was left with us. That was 243 to the base 5. इसको solve करेंगे तो you will get 73. Now, what I will do, I will put the values in equation number 1. What is this equation number 1, my dear students? If you have noticed, when I have jot down my question, मैंने इस first जो आपका question है, इसको मैंने 1 को, इसको name दिया है 1 का. So I will put the values in equation number 1. After that, what I will do, I will place the values like 243 into 51 minus 73. सैयद अली, आप अपना क्वेश्चन बेटे चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए. Whoever raised the hand, kindly jot down your question in the chat box. It is open, so it is visible to me, so I can answer you. Now in rough working column, what I will do, I will multiply 238 by 51. Then I get 12,138, and subtracting 73, I get 12,065. Till here, if you have any question, write in the chat box. Any question, please write in the chat box. If it is not, then Muniza, why? Okay, no questions. Thank you. We will move towards a step number 2. The question is asking you to convert into binary, that is base 2 with base 5 and with base 10. If you can see, I will write my answer over here, that is 12,065, and I will start dividing with 2. In my next step, what I will do, teacher, we will do simple multiplication. Yes, simple multiplication. Yes, I will make it clear. Just let me conclude this one, then I will make this clear this point. Thank you so much. Good question. Okay, Ji. See this one. Then I'm going to solve it with the base 5 and with the base 8. Any question in this? Any question? Any questions? ओके, आफ्टर दैट मैं इसको बॉटम से स्टार्ट करूंगी. आप चेक करो, ये नंबर जो है वो 3 है. इट इज़ लेस देन 5. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव एंडेड माय प्रोसेस ओवर हियर. अगर ये नंबर 10 आ जाता, 8 आ जाता, 6 आ जाता, 5 आ जाता, मैं फिर भी इसको करती, इसको डील करती. यहाँ पे भी आपके पास जो लास्ट नंबर आया है, दैट इज 2. इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय दिस 8 एंड इट इज आल्सो लेस देन 8. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव concluded my process over here. Now the question that you people are asking me, let's move towards that. Yeah, the division that we are going to follow over here, it would be simple multiplication that we follow, not division, sorry, it's multiplication. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम इस यहाँ पे करेंगे. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो हम फॉलो करते आए हैं, हम इसमें नंबर सिस्टम वाली मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करेंगे. आई एम विद यू, सो यू कैन डू एंड ट्राई इट इन योर रफ वर्किंग कॉलम. इज दिस क्लियर कि यहाँ पे हम नंबर सिस्टम वाली मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं कर रहे. सिंपल जो हमारी रूटीन मल्टीप्लिकेशन होती है, लाइक 10 3s are 30, 25 5s are 125, उस प्रोसीजर में हम इसको प्रोसीड करेंगे. I hope this one is clear to you all. After that, I guess how to write the answer is also clear to you. You will write the number and in front of that you are going to write that respective with the respective bases. Now the homework, kindly take out your diaries. Kindly practice exercise number 3.2, question number 2, part 1, 2, 4, 9 and 10. Take 20 seconds. You can make a tick on your book as well. Is it done, class? Is this done, class? Note down the diaries. I am waiting for you. When you have done, just tell me so we can move on. Okay, answer has done. Namya name done. Teacher. Okay. 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 Thank you so much. Thank you. What about my boys? Have you done? Abdul Rahman, Adan Swan. Dear, we don't have Matthew with us. Thank you so much, class.
नो टीचर, मैथ्यू ने बस फर्स्ट 3 डेज ज्वाइन किया था, उसके बाद वो एब्सेंट है.
Thank you, teacher. Okay, the request that we all are making to you, that stay home and please be safe and eat healthy. There is no diet that will do what healthy eating does. आप किसी किस्म का फूड सप्लीमेंट ले लें, मेडिकेशंस ले लें, vitamins ले लें, but the magic that the natural food will do with your body, no replacement is there for that. So please eat healthy and natural food. Thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much for all and for your cooperation with us. Hope this is clear. I'm going to take the questions now. If you have any question, please ask. God bless us all and have a great day. Any questions, please write in your chat box.